Hello again. Once again, welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Today I have a very special thing for you once again. What is it? Fully loaded stuffed peppers. And my beautiful wife is going to show us how to put this all together. After all, this is her recipe. So let's get going with this. Now this is very simple. Let's start with lean beef, low fat, and mushrooms. Yum, and some other goodies here like parsley and carrots and some garlic. This is really going to be out of this world. Well, let's get to work. Take two medium carrots, and I would like you to start shredding it on the fine setting. And take one medium parsnip and shred it again on the fine setting. Grab yourself a large pot and let's put in about 2 tablespoons of really any type of cooking oil. Add about one large onion, chopped as fine as you really can get it. And I want you to stir it and let it go for about 2 minutes. Now add about 2 pounds of lean ground veal, beef, chicken, or even turkey, whatever you like. This is the moment of truth and what you want to put in for your low calorie intake. And here comes the chopped mushrooms. Add about a cup, maybe even a little more if you would like. Now, still being on medium heat, I want you to keep on stirring this until it cooks properly, and then just add half a cup of water just to keep it a little bit on the moist side. Now cover it and let this go for about 10 minutes. Okay, let's see how it looks. Awesome, but we're not finished yet. Let's add your carrots and parsnip just like this. And we're going to blend that around. And now let's add the green onions, the chopped green onions, about 1/3 of a cup or more if you would like. This will give it a beautiful color. And about half a cup of fresh parsley. And look how great this looks. And now my beautiful wife is adding about another half a cup of water to keep it moist, and she's stirring, cooking for a couple of minutes, adding another quarter cup of water, and she keeps on stirring and blending it in till it is perfect. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered veggie stock, but remember, low sodium. Now this here is an option. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And now I want you to cover it and let it go for another 10 minutes and I shall be back. Okay, we're back. You can see it's absolutely perfect. The moisture content is perfect. Please do not overwater it. Let's just keep on stirring this a little bit. Okay, here comes the fun part. Let's add half a cup of couscous or any regular type of kasha that you want. And I want you to stir it. And now I want you to add about another half a cup of water. And let's keep on stirring and blending it all in perfectly. And here's another option, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And what this is going to do is increase your metabolism, not only just give a taste, but it's going to burn off that fat. So let's add another half a cup of water. And now I want you to cover it, still at medium heat. Let this go for 20 minutes, but I want you to keep an eye on the moisture content. And here's the fun part. Grab yourself a large red, green, or yellow bell pepper and just cut the top off just right about here like my wife is doing. And just remove the inside parts and discard that. Now grab your mixture, grab your peppers, and start filling it up right up to the top. And at this point, remember, you don't want the mixture to be too wet, just moist, just like this, because the couscous did suck up most of the moisture. Now let's add some shredded cheese, basically any type of cheese you want. Here I'm using a white cheddar, and to make it look good, put a little garnish of parsley on top, just like this. But I see my wife forgot to remove the inner part of the top, so she did that now. So we put that on top, just like this. And guess what? Look at it. It's ready almost for the oven. Get yourself a baking dish, put a little drop of oil on the dish and move it all around. And now I want it to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's cooked right through. And once again, please keep an eye on it. Well, let's see how that look. It's been about 25 minutes. Oh, that looks great. Let's get the camera in a little closer. Just look how this is. And it's absolutely delicious, low in calorie, and it's very good for you. Well, now all I can say is thank you very much for allowing Ella and I to show you this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. And once again, it's goodbye from Ella, Tony, and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.